Hello everyone, and I'm back again with another interesting recipe which is inspired from the Indians who have moved to Malaysia a long time back. And this will share you a blend of two cultures, blend of two emotions, blend of two ingredients. Let me share that recipe with you in this jar. The name of this salad is pesambur. So it will have a blend of some fresh vegetables and a dressing which is prepared from tamarind, jaggery, lime juice, some salt and sugar. So let's begin with the dressing in the jar. And this salad is not only enjoyed as a salad but also served as a great accompaniment to your grills or with your curries. After that, I will add an interesting vegetable which is native to Malaysia, and the name of this vegetable is ikama. So ikama tastes something like nuts or chestnuts and has a water content and a sweetness like green apples. Followed by, I will add some bean sprouts, veggies of boiled egg, some juliennes of cucumber to give a nice crunch and freshness to the salad. After that, I have got tofu, which is again a great source of energy and a great substitute for the people who wants to have a vegan diet. Then I have got some toasted sesame seeds, which is again a very Southeast Asian ingredient. Then I have got some salad greens. Followed by, I will add some seasonal carrots, which again we have sourced from some local farmers in UAE. And to give a nice crunch to the salad, I have got some toasted, crushed peanuts. And here our traditional pesambur salad is ready, showing a blend or a mix of two cultures, which is India and Malaysia. Enjoy your pesambur.